Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's update our view on the Bitcoin. So everything, as you can see, stands with our plan. We're watching for the bottom of the right arm of our hand shoulders pattern, and market right now stands at it. So currently the major question is whether hand shoulders will work or not, because as you know, those of you who are tracking our updates on the Bitcoin and watching our fundamental reports, so you probably should remember that we have actually major target that stands at 18 even. So this is weekly XOP. I don't know whether I have the weekly chart here or not. No, here I do not have it. But next time I will show you. But probably you should remember that because we talked about it a lot in the last week and 2 weeks ago. So we have currently market actually stands at the major OP. So target was hit in this area. And next target stands at 18 even on the weekly chart. From that standpoint, this brings risk to this pattern because theoretically the Bitcoin could fail. I mean the hand shoulders pattern, and it could proceed lower. That's why here is moment of truth. So still, if you would like to take the position, long position on the Bitcoin, here at 35 even approximately, your invalidation point will be below the head. But if market will fail to hold here and start dropping lower coming to this area, it already will be signal that market could fail here. At the same time, if you're not the scalp trader, you're searching chance to take the long position, long-term position on the Bitcoin. This is very good actual area for buying on the long-term perspective, because if even the market will drop to the 18 even, you could buy there the second half of your total assets that you plan to invest in the Bitcoin, and you will, in the result, will get the position somewhere approximately the 30 and 30 even price or even lower. So this will be very good investing for a long-term perspective. That might depends on your trading style, on the perspective that you would like to get. You will act differently, but potentially, if this hand shoulders will start to work, we expect to get this ABCD retracement, ABCD action somewhere to the 45 even area, because here we will get the major confidence resistance on the Bitcoin. So will be also daily overbought, as you can see, and also will be ABCD target. So this will be rather strong resistance sooner or later, but still we keep another leg down on the table. It's probably currently it's too early to speak about it. That's the weekly target will be ignored. I think not, and it still stands on the table. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, if you remember, we were watching for this ABCD pattern, but you can see this pattern has changed the shape, and actually we do not have the ABCD. Market has dropped very soon down and has hit our predefined level. So you can see this is major 618 support of this whole upward action, and it corresponds to the bottom of the left arm. So that's theoretically the point where Bitcoin should turn up if our hand shoulders pattern will start to work. So that's simultaneously the invalidation point for the hand shoulders. So market should not dip significantly lower. So it could pass to the downside 100, 200 bucks, but it should not drop significantly here. So it should coil somewhere around the major 618 support. Besides, if you will take a look at the hourly chart, you could see that we have the butterfly. It's 1618 butterfly that has been completed, and this is potentially bullish reversal pattern. Theoretically, market here could also form another hand shoulders pattern, minor hand shoulders pattern, to confirm the possible upside reversal. As you can see, this provides a lot of different trading scenarios, trading plan that you could follow. For example, you could try to take position right at the bottom with the stop somewhere below these lows, depending on your money management style. So breaking of the major 618 support and ignoring the butterfly could become the early sign that something is wrong and market could drop lower. Second scenario, you could wait for starting of the upward action. For example, if market starts rally, starts upward significant thrusting action up from here, and you could try to take the position on a retracement. As I said, for example, here we could get the hand shoulders. So left shoulder head, market will start upward action. On the right shoulder, you could try to take the position against these lows. This is another opportunity for trading. So it's depending on your trading style, on your psychological special features of your mind, so how you trade, how you feel comfortable to trade. So but still, I would like to tell you that I would prefer here, my personal opinion, is the better to wait for real confirmation of the bullish ambitions of the market, bullish action. Why? Because guys, I don't like this huge sell-off that you see here. Strong sell-off, tight retracement, mostly flat consolidation, sell-off again. This is not good sign for the hand shoulders. When you're watching for the hand shoulders, you would like to see that at the second part of the pattern, bulls control the market. I would prefer the more gradual retracement, the ABC reaction appearing in the gutless triple to buy here. In this case, I could try to take the position right at the completion of this action, right at the fib support based on the butterfly. But in current circumstances, when you see the strong sell-off here and here, it would be better to buy the insurance. I mean, with the buying insurance, I mean to take position maybe at the bit worse price, but when the upward action already will start, and when I will be able to place tighter stop to minimize the risk in the current circumstances. But that's just my personal opinion, because when I see the sell-off on the right shoulder of the pattern, it increases the chance of the failure of the hand shoulders. That's not comfortable. But as I said, this is very personal, so you could act differently. Anyway, our trading scenario stands in place. Now we just need to wait. We see what will happen with these hand shoulders.